looking for a house that will give you the rest that you deserve? Yeah, this one is for you. Today, we are going to feature a ready for occupancy house and lot, brand new house and lot here at Quezon City. So let's find out, gaano nga ba kasarap tumira sa bahay na to. Let's go inside. So let's go inside. Pasok tayo from pedestrian gate. Sorry kasi bumabagsak. So pagpasok natin, ito ang ating, sarado natin So this is the service area or receiving area nila. Pagpasok mo, ang unang mong mapapansin, yung oversized door nila, which is Nara. Okay? Bago tayo pumasok dyan, punta muna tayo sa ating garahe. So this house, meron siyang 2 car garage, which is pahaba lang. So from that gate, ito ang garahe niya. So it's either dalawang sasakyan talaga siya actually. And that sliding door is going to the living room. So bago tayo pumasok dyan, punta muna tayo dito sa likod. So they have a service area here. So pwedeng dirty kitchen, labahan. So it's up to you. And they have a room here for it's either maid's room, staff room. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So it's not just a small. Okay din na kanyang toilet and bath. No? So sakto lang kung meron kayong kasama sa bahay. And they have also a tank of water. Okay? So, let's go sa ating living room. So, here we go. Pagpasok mo, ito yung kanyang hagdan pataas. And, sarado natin yung pinto. Ating oversized door. And this house, high ceiling siya, no? And yung light features niya, napakaganda, napakaliwanag, napaka-warm. So dito, this is the living area. They have ready na multimedia, so you can put your TV here. And sala seat here, so kung ano yung design niya sa bahay. And this is the kitchen area. So meron na silang naka-ready na they have also a powder room dito sa baba. So pagpasok mo dito sa left side, so ito yung kanilang powder room. Malawak din siya actually, and they have a vanity mirror na paborito kong pindutin kasi gumaganda ako siya. So let's go sa ating second floor. So hello, paakyat tayo sa second floor. And di ba mas maganda ako dito kasi yung ating chandelier napakaganda. Picture mo yan guys, tingnan mo, di ba? So let's go. Unahin natin ang ito ang kanilang toilet and bath. Common toilet and bath dito sa taas. Mapasok ako para makita nyo. So, ito yan. And they have also a built-in na heater sa lahat ng CR. So, ready na hindi ka nalalamigin. So, let's go. This is the sink. And they have also cabinet here. Nice. Diba? Ganda. So, let's go. Ihuli natin yung ating master bed. So, this is the another room. May built-in cabinet na siya. Multimedia, pwede ka maglagay ng TV. So, depende kung anong gusto mong design. So, sakto lang tong room na to. And, next one. Here we go. This they have built-in cabinet, the aircon, and the nice ceiling, the nice light. Sakto lang. So let's go for our master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Pagpasok mo, ito yan. They have a built-in cabinet here. So another storage. Pwedeng dito yung TV nyo. Time with your phone. Naka-ready na yung kanyang socket. So pwedeng dito ang iyong bed. So nice. Check ang ating light. Napakaganda. And this area is the walk-in closet. So malalaki yung cabinet niya actually. And they have some kind of a vanity mirror. Pwede kang maglagay dito. And kung marami kang alahas. Yan. Nice. And this is the toilet and bath. Kung papansin niyo, no, talagang oversized yung kanilang mga pintuan. And they are all Nara. Sabi ni owner yan. Here we go. So this is the shower. area. Diba? Sakto lang. And they have also here the same sa baba ng paborito ko. Vanity mirror. And let's go. Meron silang balcony. Check! Ano bang matatanaw natin sa kanyang balcony? So, itong balcony niya, paikot from here. Hangin naman. Sarap ng hangin. So, from here, diba? Pwede kang magmuni-muni sa umaga. So, let's see. Ito ang iyong view. So, that's it for today, guys. If you are interested dito sa aming napakagandang unit, just send us a message or give us a call or just check on our FB page. See you then.